It feels like a whole new day over here at Garaja El Verma Ichen, but it is not. It's actually the same day. Matter of fact, it's still light outside. That's what's crazy. It's dark here in the garage and still light outside. But you'll notice we got some new overhead lights going. Now these new overhead lights are gonna help us quite a bit here. It didn't take me long enough to get them, so we don't have a full cure. And I wouldn't expect a full cure anyways. Now here's the thing. I'm not looking to spend the time to get a cure like what we're waiting on, this cancer one we've been waiting on forever, but we'll have a good enough cure by morning, but I'm not willing to wait. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take this in and we're gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it up over the wood that's in there. We're gonna see how well we did, get a good idea on it. By morning, I promise, we're gonna have enough cure on it so to get a really good test. Now, I told you earlier, we're gonna call this our ABDE test. Reason why, we have C over here. Now C, I didn't stain this, I didn't poly it. I didn't do anything to it other than sand it. So a lot of people, they'd say, oh, hey, C is for control. No, we're not smart enough for that around here. C is for, hey, this will help me see how I did. So in a moment, you're gonna see how I did. Well, good golly, Miss Molly. I'm not sure what to think, we don't have enough cure time on it to really show us. Man, I tell you what though, from the time I brought this piece in yesterday to the time me bringing this piece in now, I have some good feelings. Good feelings going on. Now, this is that water-based poly. This is that oil base. Now, what we have on the floor here, I'm pretty sure is a water base that they wiped off. Remember, see here, I'm just seeing what's going on and I haven't seen it yet. And so, most people, they would say, let's hold off. Let's let these cure. Let's wait till tomorrow. Then let's go ahead and do just like I did. And we'll put some on here and wipe it off and then take a look. Well, I'm not most people. I'm just one person here. And I tell you what, I don't know if I can contain myself and wait for it. I think I'm gonna have to go do that next here tonight. Not sure. Let's take a little walk with it. Notice how we still got that glazing that will dry and set a little bit more. As I walk around, I take a look though. Oh boy, let me get closer. Let me get down closer there. I don't know, folks. I don't know, this is tough stuff. Well, like I said, I'm not most people, I'm just one. And so I've gotta go do something about that. Right there, right. You might say, why the hell is he sitting in front of the stairs now? I'll get back to that. Let's take a look. So here is where I put the poly and rubbed it right off. Now, of course, it's a little bit dark right now. It's gonna dry lighter. It has not cured in any way. Again, you're gonna ask me, why the hell did he just decide to change it all up on us? Take it to the stairs. I promise, that'll make sense here in a moment. Not this moment, another moment. Let's take a look. I know I'm crossing drains here, that's okay. Let's see. Oh boy. I see some things disappearing on us now. As soon as I hit that right plane, hit that right level, oh boy. Uh-oh. Crazy things are happening in this house. Right now. Okay. I tell you what, again, this ain't cured. We're gonna have to wait and see. Once this does cure. I'm not willing to wait. All right, so I told you in a moment I'd explain the stairs thing. This is not the moment. Curious thing happened though. As I was walking back through, I started noticing this. Do you see it? See what I'm seeing? Look right up here. Look right up on top. Right there. Okay, now you see it. And come down to more of a matched angle. What do you see happening? Oh boy, it's starting to disappear. Only look at the top. Don't look at the shadowed edge here. Look at the top. It's starting to disappear. Oh boy. I'm not sure what happened here. I have no idea what could have possibly happened here. I have a pretty idea what's happening here though. It's right here, right in the end. See it? It's starting to disappear. This is really exciting. Oh my gosh. We found the wood. We have it. I'm gonna explain why I'm at the stairs. Well, look at it. I got a stair tread. I got this earlier, not for this very reason, but I gotta know about this wood. I can't sleep without knowing. Check it out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boards in one here. This is a stair tread that we'll probably use for these stairs because I'm pretty sure we found the wood. I'm pretty sure. Now this is uncured. Completely uncured. I just barely brushed that on and rubbed it off. And now here we see it. It's sitting right there. It's sitting right there. And let me get these angles for you. I feel pretty confident. Pretty dang confident. I'm gonna be calling you in the morning saying, hey, I'm about ready to spend a bunch more of your money. This time on wood.